Okay, so today we are going to go over the magic of materials for 1502 physics on glass and the computer screen. So what we have today is to look at the history of glass. So first off, in 3500 BC, the first glass object was made in Egypt and eastern Mesopotamia. We still do not know how glass was made back then because we do not have archaeological evidence to support so, but we do know that it was used in some small things such as jewelry. In 1590 was one of the breakthroughs of glassmaking, as the glass telescope and microscope lens was created in the Netherlands. This meant that things such as optical glasses could be created, and from then on we could use them to magnify things, especially from a far distance. In the 1800s, synthetic chemicals available for glass manufacture during the Industrial Revolution brought a new era of glass usage into daily life and into electronics in the near future. At this time, the most common type of glass created was called silicon dioxide glass and is a non-crystalline form of this mineral. By melting silica-based sand, you can create this by human means. Glass has been refined over the years to manufacture various types of glass by refining the materials used and also tinkering with different compositions of glass for desired properties, like stained glass. Glass is such a niche and unique material that it is hard to replicate and replace it, as it is used in countless fields like electronics, architecture, art, and nanomaterials. In 1875, the University of Jena became a major glass science and engineering center as they focused on glass chemistry. Commercially, it is used in numerous applications such as car windows, architecture, fiberglass connections for communications, and commonplace Tupperware containers for food. Here is a SEM picture of glass. So it is a zoomed in picture to look at the molecules of glass and also the structure of it. You can see that it is crystalline, and also another part of it is it's very smooth next to it. A weird property of glass that you can add impurities and other materials in the glass to change how it looks and some of its properties as a result. One of the biggest ways that we can use glass today is through using a computer. So the place where glass is used the most is in the LCD module, right? Over here. This is where the computer screen is mostly functional and where the image is displayed. The computer screen started out with a cathode ray tube screen that used an electron gun to shoot electrons onto a phosphorus screen in 1973. The LED display was invented in 1977 and used LEDs to display a range of colors on a display. An LCD screen display was invented and manufactured by the mid-1900s. LCD means liquid crystal display, which has a layer of liquid crystal solution between two pieces of glass and displays light by electricity flowing through it. So the LCD module is where the glass is, and what it does is that it is made up of two sheets of polarized glass, so over here and over here, where it contains liquid crystal material between the glass. It holds the liquid crystal inside as to allow full light permittivity. Well, that is the end of our video today. I hope you enjoyed learning more about glass and the history of computer screens.